What's going on, guys? Today we have the Nintendo Entertainment System, the NES Classic Edition. Games included: Super Mario, Metroid, Pac-Man, Zelda, Donkey Kong, Kirby's Adventure. It comes with 30 classic NES games integrated. Official Nintendo seal. Everyone 10 plus age. Okay, let's see on the side right here. So you can see, you can read that right there. Let's see in the back. Oh, this is nice. We have right here the retro blast from the past. We have a bunch of games right here: Final Fantasy, Ninja Gaiden, Super Mario, Mega Man. We have Castlevania, Dr. Mario. Okay, let's go through the list right here. So it comes with Balloon Fight, Bubble, Castlevania, Castlevania 2, Simon Quest, Donkey Kong, Donkey Kong Jr., Double Dragon 2, The Revenge, Dr. Mario, Excite Bike, Final Fantasy, Galaga, Ghosts and Goblins, Gradius, Ice Climber, Kid Icarus, Kirby's Adventure, Mario Bros, Mega Man 2, Metroid. We have Ninja Gaiden, Pac-Man, Punch-Out featuring Mr. Dream, Star Tropics, Super C. I think this one is Super Contra. Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros 2, Super Mario Bros 3, Tecmo Bowl, The Legend of Zelda, Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link. Oh, this is nice. Take a look at the pictures right here. This console takes me back. I'm 38. I used to play this game when I was a teenager, when I was a kid. Look at all these games. Okay, let's open this box right here. Okay. I'm excited to open this box, so I can't wait to play this game. We have right here the manual. Okay, let's see what's inside right here. We have right here the controller. Oh, it feels nice. We have the cross right here, the A button, B button, select, start. So you can see in the back. Oh, this is nice. Feels pretty good. We have right here the plug. Okay, let's open this bag right here. The cable is very short. It's probably like 3 feet, maybe 4. Let me see. I will let you know right now. Yeah, it's like 2 feet. It's not that long. Look at this. It's very short. Okay, let's see what else is inside. We have here the power supply with USB. So you can see right there. Okay. Let's see what is on the bottom. Yeah, we have right here the USB and micro USB connectors or cable. Okay, as you can see, check it out. We have another cable right here. This is for the, oh, it actually comes with a HDMI cable. Didn't expect this. So you can see HDMI connectors, and this is the actual console. Okay, look at this. It's a mini Nintendo. Look at it. Oh, it takes me back. Flashback. Look at that. We have the right here the HDMI out, DC in. Let's take a close up right here. Nintendo Entertainment System. This thing does not open. It's just closed. It's very small. We have the power button, the reset button. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the sides. It's super small compared to the controller. Look at this. Super small. There you have it, guys, the Nintendo Entertainment System. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.